Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well. Now you guys, it has been a really long minute since I have come to you with a natural hair update. But I have to tell you, last quarter 2020, oh my God, I was doing everything that I could do to keep up with a very hectic office, a very hectic YouTube schedule, and a very long year. But I am back with what I have been up to with this here and what you can expect in upcoming videos. So one thing that I will tell you guys is that I did come into 2021 with high expectations as far as achieving things that are on this vision board that is in front of me. And guys, there's so much up here, including this natural hair. I've had some successes in 2020 with this hair, and I've had some things could have been a lot better with this hair. Kind of disappointed in some areas such as the growth. So when 2021 came in, I tell you guys, I felt like I was putting on my boxing gloves as it came to this hair. And then I saw a video, I think it was on Instagram, from Miss Tabitha Brown. You know Miss Tabitha, don't you go messing up nobody's day now. That the same one. And she said that you have to name your hair. You guys, amazing, amazing, amazing. She said you have to name your hair so that you can talk to your hair. And as soon as I heard that, then this epiphany. Guys, even the Bible says to speak to the mountain so that you can move it. Don't beat it up. And I was getting ready to go all in on this here until I saw that little video. So thank you, Miss T, for saving the day. So that is exactly what I have decided to do. I am going to name this hair so that I can talk to it. And guys, I have named my hair Sophia. So Sophia, say hello to the people. Sophia means wisdom. So me and Sophia, we are going to talk to each other. I'm going to figure out what Miss Sophia needs so that I can give her the best thing possible throughout 2021 and hopefully achieve those objectives that I have been trying to attain for such a long time. Now, my successes as far as 2020, as you may or may not be aware, I will leave the link in the video if you don't know anything about it, but I have been using Avocado Deep Conditioning Mask and I love that, and I will continue to use that. That has been amazing for me as far as the strength of my hair, okay? I will keep that in my natural hair regimen for sure. But the downside is I really have not experienced any growth. So that is what I'm going to try to tackle this year. So some of the things that I am going to unveil to you guys this year in some of my upcoming videos are going to be this Canvas hair growth oil. Now I started using this last year, okay? I changed my regimen as far as this is concerned. So I will share with you how I am currently using this. I introduced this 10-in-1 hair growth oil. I introduced that. And I will let you guys know about this as well. Now, a couple things that I have not yet used that I am super excited about to unveil with you guys are, one being Viori Longshing Rice Shampoo Bar. This just arrived, guys. It is packaged in this. Is that beautiful? So I cannot wait to use this and share the results with you guys. And I also got one of their conditioning bars as well. So we are going to be talking about that in upcoming videos. And I also got a product from BBO, Bell Bar Organics. And this is how this product was packaged. Isn't that beautiful? And I cannot wait to unveil and share with you guys what I purchased from them. So that is just a little snippet as far as what has been going on with me with this natural hair. I named my hair Sophia. These products that I have out before me, I will come to you in the upcoming videos and reveal them to you and let you know how much I love them. Super excited about it. And guys, you know, I am positive that this year is just going to be a continuation of where I left off last year. And that being, hair wasn't as strong as I knew it could be. It is significantly stronger this year. So again, this year, I definitely want to see if I can achieve some growth. But one thing that I will tell you right now, okay, is the fact that because my hair is a lot stronger and it's not shedding, whatever growth that I do achieve, it's going to stay right here on my hair, okay? So, guys, thank you so very much for joining me, and please do be on the lookout for some upcoming videos where I share all these products with you. Remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. So, guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thank you all so much for joining me.